You're waiting for your dream job, you're waiting for your dream partner to show up, then you will start your, a happy life. If you're assuming this, if you're waiting for that moment to happen, I'm sorry to tell you that moment will never happen for you. The reason here is that you're not energetically aligned with your desired self. For example, if you want a job but you are waking up late, you're not networking, you're not updating your resume, you're not researching about the job, about the role that you're looking for, then and you're expecting that just by visualizing it you will get your job, it won't happen. To and if you're waiting for your dream partner to show up, then only you will go to movies, then only you will go to your favorite cafe to enjoy the favorite meal, then only you will dress up nicely, then only you will do pretty things for yourself, then I'm like it won't happen. So in order to align yourself energetically with that your desired self, one thing you can do is to create a lifestyle that you think, once you have that job, once you have that partner, you will have that lifestyle. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको जॉब चाहिए एंड तो जॉब जॉब के लिए आपको अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना पड़ेगा, ओके, तो सेट एन अलार्म फॉर दैट टाइम. Create a morning routine, like you after waking up you will brush, shower, you will go to gym, or you will exercise, or you will go for a walk, or what sort of meal you will eat so that you can feel energy throughout the day, you don't feel sluggish, or what sort of how will you introduce yourself to your colleagues, practice that speech. How will you interview, like how will you answer in the interviews, practice that. And block that time. For example, if you want a 9 to 6 job or a 10 to 7, whatever it is, block that time and use that time to upskill yourself, research what's going on in the market, what is in demand, what new AI tool, or whatever relevant software that is required for your job. Research about it. There are so many free courses that you can go on YouTube, or other platforms that you can use to upskill yourself. So when you pretend, how will how will you speak to your family that you feel happy, you're in on weekend you're catching up with your friends and telling them about your job. All this thing, when you start going now, when you start doing it, it won't cost much for you. It won't cost much for you. It's just like pretending. When your actions are aligned with your desired goal, it the manifestation works really fast, because now you're aligned. You're not you're not someone who is just sitting and imagining things will happen and सब automatically हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. Once you start aligning your actions with your desired self, it will magically happen very soon than you expected. Same goes if you're looking for a partner. Don't wait to pretty yourself once you have a partner. Research about the good skincare routine, that obviously you want to look good. Skincare routine, how will you dress up, what are the places that you want to go with your partner, cafes or restaurants, or vacation. Jot down all that thing, research about it, and see, like imagine yourself going with that partner, go to that cafe, go on a solo dates, go for movies. Don't wait for the other person to come in your life and make you happy and make you do all this thing. Once you start doing it, now you're aligning yourself with your that future self. And like soon you will start showing, like universe will showing you the potential partners. If you like, if it aligns with you, it will definitely work for you. So don't wait for it. Like go for dress shopping if you can. Dress up well, keep your hair neat. um uh, like wardrobe में create a space for your partner in the wardrobe clean रखना, घर को clean रखना. And keep a seat for your partner, imagine that he or she will come and sit here. all these small details that you do when you're in love, start doing it now. Start treating yourself with love. Do exercise, go out, go for a walk, meet with your friends, and don't stop yourself by doing all this just because you don't have a partner with you. Once you start aligning your actions, you automatically align yourself with your desired self, and soon you will start living that same lifestyle, and soon you will start achieving all that thing that you are desiring for. So I hope this small tip is useful for you. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comments that it's worked for you or not. And thank you so much for showing so much love to me nowadays. I'm very grateful for that. I'm so grateful for your time that you have been with me till now, and help me to reach 1 lakh people. I'm pledged to help at least 1 lakh people by the end of this year, and I'll need your help in that. So do like, share, and subscribe to this video, and see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.